Yeah, okay, so recording from St Kilda Beach. I was near the city, so in St Kilda actually, running an errand. It's such a nice day. Come down here and put you in my shoe and film a video. Um, I actually got the bargain Bead Box subscription for February, so can't wait to see. Isn't it quite ironic that I'm opening it on gemstones on the beach? How cool is that? So, budding romance collection. I won't read all the crap, but budding romance collection. Okay, I'm just gonna go for the ones that I like. Oh, so 8mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz, 7.5 inches. Oh wow. That's pretty. It's like a matte type of film. These are 6x4mm crystal faceted rondelle beads. These are cute. Oh wow. 8mm Malaysia jade dyed quartz, 15-inch. It's very pretty. And I wish I was in a country that had water like this, but our water isn't quite like this. $10mm Malaysian jade dyed quartz. Wow. Is this faceted? I wish they'd facet it because it is faceted actually. Gives it more of a shine. So this is the pendant, Malaysian jade, dyed quartz. It's so pretty. Wow. And you can even, it's got a nice, look like 18 karat gold plated, but even if it's not, it's still a good quality. It's got a nice shine, the gold, and I love the way this is cut, like a teardrop Art Deco style. You can see the cut on the back. Teardrop pendant. Wow. And holding this up at the beach, it's I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but it's very pretty. Can't wait to work with this. Alright. Uh, 8x4mm Malaysia jade dyed quartz faceted rondelle beads. 6 by 4 millimeters. Oh, these are really pretty. Very nice. There's quite a lot of that too. Oh wow. Rose quartz. Rose quartz tumbled nugget beads, 16 inch. These are worth $7 US, so about 12 Australian dollars. Yeah, sounds about right. Oh wow. These are, love these. They're natural, not dyed. They're regular pieces. That's cool. You don't want them all matchy-matchy. I mean, dyed pieces are good if it's just normal quartz, but you don't want to dye it if it's a really nice stone. But if it's plain quartz, you know, I get dyeing it because sometimes it's a bit boring. Four millimeter crystal faceted round beads, 20 inch, 5 US, so it's about 8 Australian dollars. I won't take these out because I'm at the beach. 7 by 4 millimeter flower spaces. How cute are they? Plus I don't have much time left. That's real pretty. This is a closure, like a toggle closure. How cool is that? Real pretty. Gold plated brass floral toggle clasp. Oh wow. Oh, that's pretty. It's a two-piece. Two-piece? Oh, okay. I thought it was one. That's pretty. Make some pretty earrings with those. And the back is even nice. Some lovely enameled gold jewellery. Always good quality. Oh, these are pretty. Two-piece enameled metal rose charms. So you get 2 of these. Oh wow, how beautiful. Okay, sorry, so many cutouts. Yeah, so 2 pieces of enameled metal rose charms. These are really pretty. Will make really nice earrings or charms on bracelets, or on your, you know, us journalers. We use beads all the time, yeah. So you can even get this subscription, my journaling loving subscribers. Look, 2 pieces, 13 by 4 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia drops. Wow, 6 US bucks. See, these would be really nice on like charms on journals, you know, when you put little bulb pins or safety pins and you know what I'm saying? It's on both sides too. Scallop bead caps. So these go, you can put these on your beads. Oh, we've got some nice chain. Some bling bling. We got some pieces. Gold-plated brass filigree chandelier. That'll be a nice airing drop, and you can put a stone here, here, here. I was thinking of making some long ones with these ones and these ones together. With those, with the other little ones. Yeah, but anyway. Oh, that's pretty. 25 by 20 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass filigree flower chandelier pendant. Oh. So oh wow, that's pretty. I like how it kind of bends. And you can put rings, you know, little round circle things, and then add your things to them. Oh wow, look at the shine on that. That's so pretty. I can't see what you're saying. It's so dark. Hopefully you can see it. Three by 5. Micro-faceted round beads. That's weird. Okay, 3 by 3.5 millimeter garnet micro-faceted round beads. Why are they so expensive? $8 US. But why are these little ones so expensive? They look nice, but well, maybe because they're real garnets, who knows? So that's everything. It's a nice little mix. I'm going to open these roses. Oh, these are spaces. Oh, cool. They can be spaces, or they can be used as decorative roses. You can even stick them on your little miniature projects, you know. So these aren't just for beaders. Art journalists would get a real great enjoyment out of this as well, with all the beautiful beads and components that you can add to your journals. These are really pretty. Oh wow. Oh yeah, the crystal faceted rondelles. This is purple, blue, green. I like how there's all different colours, you know, you can pick what you like or use them all. There's a lovely pink. The pinks and the reds go together real nice, yeah. And of course with the reds, the greens and the blues go nice, don't it? So, and the purples. So you can mix and match. I personally, let's see, what I would use. God, all these strands. Got that strand. Got this one. And that one. So I'll definitely be using my reds, purples, and pinks, I think. With a pop of ooh. Yeah, that's a nice blue. So you can either go blue and use your blue charms, or you can pick, instead of going blue, going green, and use these ones, which is what I might do. I don't know, you could do both, you could make separate jewellery, but I don't see putting all these colours together working. But yeah, you can do different styles. Like I said, do the first one with your reds and greens and another style with the reds and blues to match the enamels as well. But yeah, always, honestly, I'm always happy with what I get. Even with the shipping to Australia, it's still worth it. So people in America that you don't have to pay 12 US shipping dollars, you're getting free shipping, you're crazy if you don't get this. Alright. Oh, thanks for watching, and I'll show you the beach again. Poor thing, he thinks I got food, poor bloke. This is St Kilda, Melbourne Beach. Oh, we got some little people doing wakeboarding. How cool is that? That is, oh, it's so cool. Alright, see you guys. Oh, look at that massive ship there. See that massive ship? Isn't that Tasmania? Oh, I thought it went all the way down. Okay, no, that's good. I think that goes to Tasmania. Our states, one of our bottom states, it's surrounded by water. And all the ferals live there. Nah, just joking. Oh, no, he's chillaxing like me, not me. Look, there's more over there too. There's a grey one. Alright, bye guys.